this is our Facebook series part 5, which is about how you can share images directly from your app to Facebook post. And we have already covered that how you can share a link on Facebook post, how you can fetch Facebook data, how you can integrate Facebook login, how you can set how you can get Facebook key hashes. All those videos you can all those tutorials you can watch uh, on my YouTube channel. I will provide all of these links. So let's get started with sharing image. And before that, we have to set some configuration to Android Studio, our Android application. So open your Android Studio first. Let me just show you the project structure. You have to go to the build.gradle file, and as you can see that our SDK Facebook SDK is already here, which we already have on which I have created already some videos. You can watch there that how you can integrate the Facebook. Let me just show you that how you can implement the sharing part. So you need to use this library first. Press Control V, click on Sync Now, then go back to this file, and you need to copy this provider here, and you need to go to your manifest file. And as you can see that this is our Facebook SDK integration, which I have told you in Facebook login tutorial. You just need to paste it here, and as you can see that our Facebook after the our Facebook content provider, we have our Facebook application ID, which you need to use it here properly. So this will work fine. And after that, we need a link to open a sorry we will gonna use the images from direct we will gonna use the images from the storage. So for that we need to declare it permission. So type use this permission, and we need read only permission. Okay. And now go to your main activity file. Come to your main activity file. First we will need a okay, let me just first design the layout first. Okay, so I'm gonna type here linear layout. It will be match parent prep content. And then type orientation vertical. Okay, heading 15, center in parent true, getting the layout in the center. Let me just type image view first. Image view will be a match parent, and I'm gonna take this as 400 dp for now. I'm not giving any file here. I'm just passing a ID here. So image view fine. Then I'm gonna create a button for picking image button, image parent, content, text, pick image, false, set a on click for clicking for on click event. So I'm gonna give it name as a pick image button. Press Alt Enter, create pick image button in main activity. Okay, this will create a method, so we can click on the button. So margin top 10 dp. Just copy this button, and we will gonna create a button for sharing the content. Okay, so share image content to Facebook. Okay, share content. Press Alt Enter. Okay, fine. So our layout file is completed. So, but we need first we need a permission for accessing the image or gallery. So first we type private void check permission. So type if context compact dot check self permission. Then you have to type this, and we need to type manifest dot permission dot read read external storage not equal sorry, package manager dot permission granted. Okay, we only need this one. So activity compact dot request permission, this new string, type manifest dot permission dot read external storage, type request code. Okay, fine, this is fine. And now we need to set a code for picking up an image. So type private void. Okay, so picking up an image. Okay, fine. Pick image. For picking up the image, we need to type uh, activity result launcher. Type string re result launcher equal new activity result launcher. Okay, so we need to register this to the activity for result. Then type new. Then type get content. Sorry, get content, and then you need to type. Let me just enter here. Then type new. Type activity result callback. So just press enter on the first one. As you can see that here we will get the URI. Okay. Uh, Let me just get out. Check this out from here to here. Okay. Now type result launcher dot launch. Now we need images. So we will type image dot star. Okay. And type sorry type else and pick image. Okay, this is fine. And we will gonna take a, let me just declare this property image view. Image view image view just use this find image view. Okay, now we need a bitmap. Okay, this is it. Okay. If result not equal null, then we just need to set the bitmap. Sorry, yes, it's fine. Media store dot images dot media dot get bitmap, get content resolver, then just type the result. Fine. Okay, I think we choose the wrong method. So we need to get the bitmap. So get, sorry, we need to choose get bitmap method. Then type get content resolver and then result. Okay, this is fine. Then go to the get bitmap method and press Alt Enter. This will take us a surround with try catch. Okay, this is fine now. And we need to set up the bitmap to the image view. So type image view dot set image bitmap. Just type bitmap. Okay, so this will set an image on the image view. There is some error. There is some error. Oh, sorry. This is okay. This is fine now. So pick an image. Just before that, we need to check permission. Okay. Okay, so the pickup part is completed now. Now let us do the sharing part here. So create share dialog equal new share dialog. This for sharing the photo, you need to type share photo first. You need to create an instance of share photo equal new share photo dot builder dot set bitmap dot build. Then we need for sharing the content, we need to use share photo content, new share photo content dot sorry dot builder. Then type add photo. Then type share photo. Pass the instance of share photo. Then dot build. Then type share dialog dot show. Then pass the share photo content. Okay. So here, yeah, this is fine now. This is all we need. So let me just run the application. And if you want to watch that how you can integrate Facebook or how you can initialize the Facebook, let me just show you for a while that this is how we can integrate the integrate the SDK. You can watch in our previous tutorials. So our application is run now. As you can see that currently we didn't have any picture. So let me just, as you can see that our this is requesting a allow permission. Okay, let's click on. Okay, now you can pick any image. As we already have picked an image. Now just click on share image content to Facebook. As you can see that we can share we have successfully completed our task. So if you like the video, please do like, share and comment your queries. Thank you.